Welcome friends, and thank you for watching. We're going to be making some delicious air fryer sweet potatoes today. If you are using organic sweet potatoes, wash the skin and then cut it up. The skin is perfectly edible. However, I'm not using organic sweet potatoes today, so I'm removing the peel from the sweet potatoes. For today's recipe, I'm using 2 medium sweet potatoes, which is about 1.5 pounds. Rinse the sweet potatoes clean, and then let's cut up the sweet potatoes. Remove the ends from the sweet potatoes and then cut your sweet potato in half. The way I'm choosing to cut up my sweet potato today is a super quick and easy way to make these sweet potato cubes. Honestly, these do not have to be perfect. However, you do want them in small pieces so that they cook thoroughly and that they will be tender and delicious. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything together and ensure that you coat all the sweet potato pieces with the seasoning. The brown sugar will caramelize, creating a beautiful crust on your sweet potato bites. Place the sweet potato on the tray in your air fryer and set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then set the timer to 12 minutes. You will need to shake it halfway through cooking to ensure all the pieces are cooked thoroughly. Let's check out our air fryer sweet potatoes. Wow, these look gorgeous. Look at them. Add a few more minutes to your cook time if you want your sweet potato to be more tender. One of the reasons I love using the air fryer to cook my meals is that it's super easy to clean. Remember to hit the like button and leave me a comment to let me know what air fryer recipes you would like to see me trying out. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please remember to hit the subscribe button to get more delicious recipes. This recipe is kid approved and mommy approved. Thank you for watching.